Hello everyone and welcome back to Ton Orbital. I'm Tonio, and in today's Ton Orbital video guides, I'll be showing you how to withdraw funds from a liquidity pool on STON.fi. Before we begin, make sure your wallet is connected to STON.fi and that you have sufficient TON in your wallet to cover the blockchain fees for the transaction. Now let's move on to the steps for withdrawing funds from a liquidity pool. Open your web browser and navigate to STON.fi. Click on Go to App to access the main interface. Navigate to the Pools section. Switch to the My Pools tab to see all the pools where you have provided liquidity. Next, choose the desired liquidity pool from the list. At the bottom of the pool page, click the Withdraw button. In the withdrawal window, you can select how much of the liquidity you provided you want to withdraw. To withdraw the entire amount, choose Max. Click Withdraw Liquidity. Next, your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Confirm the transaction to finalize the withdrawal. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn funds from a liquidity pool on STON.fi. Thank you for watching this Ton Orbital video guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on Ton blockchain. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at Ton Orbital. See you next time.